This is Joe Hill from DoneRight Management. We are at Silverpine Hideaway. Going to do a quick video tutorial on the fireplace sets here. Now this is actually operated via a remote control. That's right there on the wall. So you're going to hit the mode center. So right now it's in the off position. You're going to hit it again. It's going to go on. It's going to start flashing. Now it takes about 20 seconds or so for the system to energize and fire up. Now, depending on kind of the conditions, I just saw the pilot light go on. And so now it's just activating itself. Sometimes you're going to end up having condensation on the inside, and that is normal up here. So if you see kind of like a white haze or film on the glass itself, that's standard. It occurs up here when it gets cold. And as the fire kind of kicks in, things liven up. That'll eventually dissipate. Now you can adjust the temp. You have your up button, your down button, and you can see how that goes. Now if you need to turn it off, you're going to energize and you're going to go thermal off, and then just to where it says off, and it'll actually turn itself off. And that's it. So if you have any further questions, you can reach out to us at DoneRight Management. Numbers 208-634-0030.